So the one on top will also come in here. And the tub is going
Just staying right here.
Yeah.
Although there's still a lot that you'll see out there.
Underneath the...
That's up close and personal. I mean, they put on in the time that they came and took out right down here.
Dirt everywhere.
On the boat for an hour and a half, 2 hours. We saw 3 things
Oh, wow.
in all that time. Yeah, that's what it looked like when we came before. Wow. With all the photos out here.
And so they're in here to save calories and warm up. And then
there's a bunch right over there.
Then warmed up, they'll go back out and eat.
Yeah.
And then they have to decide, you know.
They have to come in when it's real cold because they can't stand it out in the open water. Here's one coming out. Oops, I can't get my... He's coming out.
They have to come back in the morning.
I kind of thought maybe it was warmer out there.
They look like big rocks,
Mexico,
don't they?
Yeah, it's cold.
Huh.
Well, if 60 is cold.
Yeah.
60-degree water's cold.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you couldn't stand to be in it.
Yeah. So, they have to make a decision, you know.
Them coming in and out. Like, look at over there. That's the way it was yesterday. Me and Tyson were kayaking like right around these buoys at the edge and seeing.
That's why I want to get those noodles. They float on the noodle thingies.
One of many spots.
See how they got them over there? Outside the boat?
There's other springs up and down, and there's...
Okay, let's go around the other side.
They like the...
They're all coming up for air. Pretty cool to see, huh? It's a West Indian manatee. See where that one has a scrape on his back?
Yeah.
He got a propeller hit. They're trying to shut this off completely. So people can't, because they're endangered. Comes that one up for air. Looks like a log. That one looks like a log completely. This is the prettiest view. Boy, it's cold over in that wind on the other side, isn't it? Oh my gosh. It's a big one. There used to be as many as 4,000 in here. That's crazy. Oh, there's some fish under there. They don't eat fish, though. Oh, he's coming after me. And they're as tall as me. Jerry's Market, I don't know what that is. Second Saturday of every month. Where are you going? Trying to scare me. Don't attack me. Right in town. Where are you going? Don't go in the street. That's funny.